How to add a code block to Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a code block to your Hostinger website. So the process is going to be very easy. We are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going simply to see the dashboard or the Hostinger panel. Now, what we're going to do is to scroll down a little bit into the specific section here, which is going to be the elements for that panel. Now, we're going to click on websites and select from here or from these elements websites lists. Now, we are going to see the websites that we own. Make sure that you are going to see this specific logo, which is going to be the Hostinger website builder logo, and we are going to click on the button edit website. It will open up here the website. We're going to wait for a few seconds. It is not going to take long for Hostinger to load up. Now we're going to have here the website or template fully loaded. Now we are going to add the specific code block into the site. How we can add it? Basically, I'm going to add that code block into a empty section. So we are going to create a blank section. So how we can create a blank section? Simple. We are going to here see the intersection between two sections. We are going to have here the option to add a section, and we are going to have here from the type of sections add blank section. Now, what we're going to do is to head over the left side of the screen. We have the add elements option. So we are going to click on it and then we are going to have it just like here. So we are going to scroll down a little bit until we see here in this corner the embed code. We're going to drag and drop the embed code in here and here we have it. So basically we're going to have the code entered. So you're going to click on enter code and then you are going to delete all the component in here or the contents of this specific block and start adding your code. So from these codes, you can, for example, embed a video from YouTube or from an external player, video player, or you can implement a widget like some of the websites that present for you the service of creating widgets like Elfsight, or you can implement Canva designs also. So I'm going to give you here an example of a widget. I have created some widgets within this platform and I'm going to add it. It is going to be called Elfsight. So maybe we are going to have here an audio player or something like that. So I'm going to create this and see if it is going to be created already. So I have this widget. I'm going to have it installed. All we need to do is to click on install of the widget after you have set it up, of course. I'm going to have this code in here. Paste that code in here, click on embed code, and we are going to see the player showing up in just a few seconds. So you can go ahead and have, for example, another created widget in here. So we are going to add another code. For example, I'm going to have here Canva or a Canva design. So we are on Canva. I'm going to integrate this specific page or this specific design. So we are going to have it from the search or share. And then instead of downloaded it, we are going to click on more, click on embed, and you are going to embed that design, have the HTML code, head over here, Hostinger, embed the code, and we are going to see it. So this is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.